Greetings, folks. It's Sarah. Today I am out on beautiful Lake Pend Oreille in Sandpoint, Idaho, and I brought out 12 of my favorite cook stoves to set up in this epic location and film for you guys. So today I am featuring for you the Guliver shown in the beautiful Soapstone, and I'm going to give you guys 5 reasons why I love the Guliver stove. Number 1, I honestly just think it is so super cute. I love the detailing on the front door on the cast iron. I think it really gives it a unique view. Number 2, this model is tax credit qualified. Right now in the United States, we do have a 30% federal tax credit that qualifies the cost of the stove, chimney pipe, and installation cost up to $6,800. That is an excellent feature on the stove and why I love it. Number 3, this model is very versatile and it does have the ability to burn both wood and coal in the firebox, which is a really nice feature, especially if you have good, easy access to coal. Number 4, I love that this model has a warming oven option as well. So that is really nice if you are cooking for a large amount of people and like to keep your food warm, like especially for pancakes. Cooking pancakes for groups of people can be super challenging. Having a top warming oven is great. You can also bake in it at lower temperatures as well. Number 5, this stove is versatile. Right now, we're shown with a left-hand firebox and a right-hand flue, but you could actually reverse that and put your flue on the left-hand side, which would then move your firebox to the right and your oven to the left. So that is super cool and my 5th reason as to why I love the Guliver Cook Stove. If you guys find these videos educational, informational, and helpful during your shopping experience for a wood cook stove, please don't forget to give me that thumbs up. Liking my videos helps me out so much. Also, don't forget to share them with a friend. If you know somebody who would benefit from my content, I really appreciate if you share it. Don't forget to click that subscribe button in the corner of the channel. Thanks for watching. God bless and have a wonderful day.